because I was door dashing every day, and I just heard God say, post what you're doing, what you're doing every day. And so I did that. I had no idea that posting every day is the new thing. If you're trying to make money on YouTube, I'm like, why do people post once a week? Are you kidding me? The money is posting daily. The money is posting multiple times a day. Do people not know this? We actually have some control over why our YouTubes stop growing.
We are back real quick by popular demand for the one time. I was done with this series on Dash and I wasn't going to come back. At least I thought so. But then the creator showed me, and the YouTube algorithm told me, nah, you're going to go back and talk about Dash. Not only that, on my most recent video, a lot of people have been commenting about what I've been putting there and saying that the information has been good and it was a new spin on things, which made me feel good because that was the part of the point of what I was doing. One, I was trying to add a real conversation to what's going on out here with this Dash and Dash effect. But I just watched her new video and no, she is back in the hot seat. I tried to give her a chance. I know there's some good sides to her, but this here, man, a part of me looks at what she does, and because I understand what she's doing, she has mastered it. She has mastered it. She has mastered it to the point that some of y'all don't even see it. The only people that would see it is the people that have been scammed before, the people that have been in a part of a scam or around a scam that she was involved in, or the people who understand YouTube to a T. So I'm going to drop a couple things you need to understand about Dash that you are not getting. And at the very end of this video, the most important thing of all, I'm going to tell you some bad, I'm going to tell you some ugly, but I'm going to tell you some good at the end of this for everybody involved who watches Dash videos, who like Dash, who doesn't like Dash, who makes Dash videos, who makes videos at all, period. I'm going to tell you how you make this situation work for you, because I did some digging and I looked into the algorithm and I tried certain titles, and those titles are on lock. It's people getting thousands and thousands and thousands of views at the top of this algorithm, and the algorithm does not want certain videos to get up there. It kept trying to rank me for exposed and scammed, and I tried to talk about other videos, but it said I ranked out, I couldn't get up there. And I kept seeing other videos, but then down here with the other videos, well, oh, she's scammed and she this and that. Oh, I can make those videos where there's only so many views. It's funny, but it's okay because you're the algorithm and you decide what's good and what's not good. And not only that, the algorithm is only a part of the machine that pushes what you give it. But the problem with people like Dash is Dash will tell you something, but she will leave out things that I'm pretty sure she's 100% aware of, and it's going to hurt you and your YouTube channel, but it's going to help her. For example, if she's talking about all these different things at this point where her channel is one, her subscriber level is a lot higher than you guys, and people keep coming back up, showing up for her, and they're not going to do that for you. So when you make a video, if you're getting views right now, I'm not knocking any of y'all. I'm giving you some information that she's not giving you. If she was giving you this information, I wouldn't have to tell you this right now, but she's not. So I have to tell you, the more subscribers she gets, the further she gets away from you guys when it comes to YouTube and the information she gives you of what it will do for you, unless you already started when she told you to, unless you've already been making videos. Some of y'all have already been experiencing this, which is why in the video she talks about how content, people say it's too hard to come up with content and they gave up because they're seeing the reality on their end for their channel that they can't do what she said that you can do, and they're trying it and they're doing it. For some people it's working for various reasons. For some people it doesn't. If you take it like this, people say this, right? One size shoe fits all. We know that's not true. They got baby shoes, toddler shoes, teen shoes. Then you got people 12 feet and above. Then you got that 10 to 12, which is about a lot of people, and the 10 to 12 sizes will be the first ones to run out. But when it comes to shoes, you got a lot of sizes. Then you have men's shoes. Then you have women's shoes. Then you have different styles of shoes. Then you have heels. Some people will never wear heels. Then you have certain sneakers. Some people don't like sneakers. They will never wear sneakers. Then you have slides. So the whole point is there's a whole world of shoes and sneakers and boots. It just goes all over the place. You just can't say, I just put on some footwear and let's go. Well, what are we getting ready to do? Because that might depend on the kind of footwear we're getting ready to do. Are we getting ready to jump out of an airplane? So we get ready to jump out of an airplane, I might not want to put on my Timbs. I might want to put on a different pair of shoes if I know we're going skydiving. I want to be prepared as much as possible. And YouTube is the exact same way. Depending on when you put the video up, what title you use, what thumbnail you use, what keywords you use. Now, this becomes less and less important, but this becomes less important when you get on the home page. The home page is when you're being pushed. But if they don't like what you're saying, if you don't have only so many views, then you'll be lost, and then your video will be pushed to the bottom of the algorithm, never be seen again until you do another one. So in this video, when she's telling you, oh, keep posting, if you're doing it wrong, don't keep posting. If you're getting 5 videos back to back and you're getting 10 views, something is wrong. You're doing something wrong. You should be getting at least more views than that. Your views should be building up. Unless you're in a niche that's not working for you, or maybe you should jump on the DoorDash wave. I've been in my niche making videos, and I can show you in my back of my video right now. I can show you in the back of my system how I have all these high numbers and stats, but I'm competing against other people who really have power on keywords, and that's the problem. But over here in the DoorDash world, y'all just making videos. You don't have the keyword power, or there's certain things, which is why certain people can come in, and those people are at the high top getting those thousands of views. And the people that are really making videos that are really helping people on both sides, some people trying to show the good side of DoorDash and some people trying to explain the bad side. Me, I'm trying to just show you that beware of what she's showing you, because she's definitely a chameleon. She's a chameleon. She's a shapeshifter. She knows exactly what to say. You'll pull your heartstrings, and then you get involved, and then you get behind the scenes, and then things aren't what they say they are, and then your heart gets broken because what she said isn't working for you. And then you start to do some research, and you start to realize that there's certain things that are going on. There's certain scams that's going on. It's not about the views, but it is about the views. Views is what gets you paid, but more than views is watch time. And the short amount of videos that she's putting up, she can get away with that because she's DoorDash. They're going to watch her little short 5, 6, 7 minute videos. When you put up your videos that's that long or longer, they don't know you or have a reason to watch you. So if you can't get them same amount of attention and views, your views will drop while hers will rise because she's hot right now. And YouTube is going to take advantage of this as well. There's so many people talking about her. People's in the thousands of subscribers talking about her. I seen a person that had a lame, I'm sorry, man. I see somebody that had a lame channel that was doing a voiceover, and they didn't even use regular stock photo. It had the bootleg used photos with the watermark all in it. It's crazy. Then other people, somebody was trying to bash her, not on camera, and they was in a comment section like, how you trying to bash her and you're not even on camera? You talking off camera about someone that gets on camera. So you have so many people on every single side of this situation. And what I'm trying to show you is she gives value, but in between the value, there's things she leaves out. And that's the problem that's misleading, because when you know something and you only tell people a part of something, hey, if you go down there, you can get this and get that. But there's people that get robbed down there a lot, but you leave the back part off. Now people are going into danger. Oh, you can go down there, but once you get past, you're going to definitely fill up because there's no gas for like 25 miles. And then you go and you run out of gas because they left out information that is very important to know. This is the type of stuff that DoorDash does. She gives you the general overall happy, we can all do it, just go, go, go. But then there's the little things that actual YouTubers know. You can't do that. And they're saying no and shaking their head. But the masses don't know it. And they go and do it. And then some of them benefit from it. But everybody is not the most. They're the small. It's the majority doesn't. And then they get mad, and after a while they fall off, or then they become hate or angry, like, oh, she's scamming people. Or you got to get somebody that helps you at your level to understand what's happening with your channel based on what you're doing. It's different for everybody. Yes, there's a default, but it switches for everybody. So with that being said, I dropped a good amount of information, probably more than I was going to do in this video right now. But what I'm going to do now is give you something that we can all join in, because there's another part where she talked about the money she made dropped from one amount down to $75 per video, $73 per video. And she's getting thousands of views that you're probably not getting to get this to happen while she's monetized. I'm gonna show you how you get $75 and just having maybe 20, 30, 40, 50 views. And doing that consistently, it can build up. Maybe even $150 to even $300 per video, whether you're monetized or not. And I will help you do it, whether you're talking about DoorDash or not. But DoorDash is hot. People getting views. So let me show you how we can do this. Let's work together. And this is the opportunity. Check out my last playlist and all my last videos. The ones about the money will tell you everything. The last one I just did and the next one I'm getting ready to drop is going to change things. But this is the opportunity right now at the back of this video. Please like this video, comment, and share so we can get out there and get an algorithm. More importantly, people can see that we can work together and you can get your views and I can get mine, but we can do this and earn this right now. 7 days of Thanksgiving, you can get some of that money back before it even comes. Christmas is on the way. This will put money in your pocket ASAP, and I will show you how. I will help you grow your list. I will help you show how to follow up your people. I will show you how to structure this on your channel depending on how far you are. I have all the ways and things to sit here to help you depending on if you have a small audience, a medium, a large audience. It doesn't matter. I can help you at any level that you're at. This is not my first YouTube channel. This is not my first rodeo. So check this out. Like the video. I'll see you in the next video. We'll be back talking about DoorDash, because DoorDash people got to eat and win too, right? We just can't have people out here scamming y'all all day. Y'all got to be having a way to actually succeed before you get monetized and even after you get monetized. And 5MP, the 5MP project, Mr. Leverage and Autopilot Money, that's what we do here. Here's the video. Take action. Link is in the comment section and description. Be here for the next video. It's going up.